Silver is a precious metal used in jewelry, investment bars, coins, and industry, electronics, solar panels, EVs, medicine, etc. It has dual demand, both for industrial use and as a safe haven investment like gold, around $75–$79 per troy ounce in global markets. Per ounce, $77–$79. Per kilogram, 2,400–2,480 USD approximately. Silver prices are unusually high record levels because strong industrial demand, solar, electronics, EVs, supply shortages, mining production can't keep up with demand. Investor demand, many investors buy silver as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, geopolitical issues and currency trends pushing safe haven buying, similar to gold. China tightening silver exports starting 2026, reducing global supply. Silver averages in past years were much lower, around $20–$30 per ounce before 2025, making the current price a historic surge. Silver is both an industrial metal and a precious investment asset. Today's international silver price is about $75–$79 per ounce. Local prices differ by country and include local taxes and premiums. Prices are high because of supply shortage, strong demand, and global economic factors.